Let's talk first about why corporate taxes and the impact of corporations matters to everyone in New Jersey, not just corporations. I think that's an important thing for us to lay out.
It's a great question, Audrey. Here's why. We are operating in a republic type of government here in the United States where each of the 50 states is essentially in competition with the other. And so the decisions we make here in New Jersey is going to affect whether businesses decide to stay here or not. And if I were the president, let's say, of a Fortune 500 company, I'd be looking at New Jersey's highest corporate business tax. I'd be looking at the possibility that a climate superfund tax is headed my way. I'm going to look at the reality that my employees are paying the highest total tax burden in all of America when you combine income tax rates, property taxes, and so forth. And I really have to think to myself, why stay here? Why stay here? We have the talent. We have a phenomenal location. There's no doubt about that. But guess what? Places like Florida, the Carolinas, Pennsylvania, Texas, these places are dynamic, growing economies. And sadly, we're seeing one business after the next move that way.
I don't know about you, but I'm a little tired of hearing of those states.
I am too. They are our competitors.
Absolutely.
Okay, and that's a good thing. And the things that those states do well, we should try to do well here. And the things that we are doing poorly in the state of New Jersey, you notice they don't do those in those other states. The tax burden in those other states is far less what it is here in New Jersey.
So about 3 years ago, Garden State Initiative put out a report authored by Dr. Arthur Laffer. And we talked about the corporate business tax and the impact of taxes. And we actually used some of these states as our comparison. And we looked at North Carolina and their step down of the corporate business tax, and that ultimately it leads to higher revenue for the state and more jobs. And here we are increasing taxes and doing the exact opposite.
Exactly right. The proof is in the pudding. Look at North Carolina. That is a growing economy. They are growing thousands of jobs. They are growing billions of dollars in personal and business wealth. And where is a lot of that coming from? New Jersey.